Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project IR motor control. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the IR sensor. Then its negative to the ground. Then its output to the positive of the motor. Then negative of the motor to the ground. Now, when the IR sensor will detect any object, the motor will start working and the fan is going to rotate. Let's see. It will keep rotating as long as the sensor keeps detecting an object. When the object is away, it will stop rotating. And it's done.